amigas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niobe and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this gorgeous smoky eye. Mind you, all I used today were Charlotte Tilbury products, and I actually used this one palette here. It's called the Super Nudes. It's so precious. Literally all I used to get this look. Wait, I lied. I used another Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, and this is called Walk of No Shame Luxury Palette. But I only used one color in here. So hopefully you guys have these palettes. If not, you can find similar colors in the palettes that you already have. I think I'm in my smoky eye era, dark feminine era, because this is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna break down this look step by step with you so you can pop out with your smoky eye any night of the week. I love smoky eyes because they just look so sexy and seductive. And I used to be a girly who was like very intimidated to do a smoky eye because it's just so much depth to it. You know what I mean? Like, it's not just one color, one or two colors, it's a couple colors. And after learning how to perfect a smoky eye, I feel like it's time I teach it. Oh, I hope you girlies love this video and I hope you find it helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the family before we start and follow me on Instagram. Now let's get started. Now I am starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I like to apply this before I do my eyeshadows, especially if they're gonna be a strong, bold look, just because it gives me a clean slate. Now let's get into our Super Nudes palette by Charlotte Tilbury. Look how gorgeous this palette is. And I'm gonna start off with this warm brown color and pat it all over my lid. Now that we have our first color on, we're gonna go ahead and flush it. What I mean by flushing it is literally just blending it up so that there's a smooth transition. Now I'm gonna go back in with that same color and pat it back onto my lid, avoiding the crease area and above. This is where we begin to create that depth that we see in a smoky eye. Now let's jump into our second color, which is a sandy-like color. You're gonna grab your fluffy brush and blend this color between your brows and where that transition ended. Now let's go back in with that first color and apply it to our lower lid. This is gonna start to create the smoky eye effect. Take your time with this part because you don't want to lose control of your brush and have the powder like fly all over the place. And the last shade we will be using is this beautiful deep black shade for our lids. Now, this is gonna be a very pigmented color, so make sure that you do not lose control of your brush and apply it to your lower lid. And you're also gonna go in and pat it over your lid area. And this is what's gonna create that beautiful deep smoky eye look. And voila, we have a beautiful smoky eye. However, I do want to glam it up a little bit, so I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Eye Palette. And girls, do not judge me on my palette. I kept dropping it, and I'm not about to throw her away. She is just too good to throw away. But I did grab that shimmery color that I showed you guys. It was on the bottom left corner of the palette, and I just applied that on the main part of my lids. I applied my lashes off camera, but now I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury mascara wands, and I'm going to go in and just darken up my lashes. I really love doing this even with the falsies on, or I'm sorry, the strip lashes on. And I also make sure to get my bottom lashes. The eyes have to be my favorite part about makeup just because eyes really make you look extra beautiful. And I'm actually going to apply this mascara onto my brows just because it just felt like I was supposed to do it. So I'm doing it, and this is the first time I'm doing it with this mascara, and it turned out amazing. Now we need to keep everything in place, so I'll be going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Finishing Setting Spray, and this has to be my favorite setting spray on the market right now. It smells amazing and it does the job. And so we are all done. This is my glamorous sultry smoky eye. I hope you guys love this look. I absolutely adore this look. It's sexy, it's sensual, it's just giving everything, and the eyes are just piercing. Oh my gosh. Let me know how you guys do on this look and comment down below what look you think I should do next. I will make sure I have all the product details listed down below. All right, my love, so I hope you love this tutorial. I am headed out to a karaoke birthday party. It has like a futuristic aesthetic inside with a lot of silvers. So that's why I went with this gorgeous metallic smoky eye as well as this metallic one-piece romper. It's gonna look gorgeous. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will be dropping photos on there. Make sure you subscribe to the family for more makeup tutorials. And if there's a certain classic look or a look you want me to recreate, comment that down below. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.